Hi, Scott Dillon here at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a 2025 Harris Solstice 230 with the new Halo power top on it and a 250 horsepower Mercury Verado. All right, so 230 Solstice. This one has the Halo power bimini on it. So a lot of people that buy pontoon boats with towers are never really going to tow anything off the top of the tower anyway. They just like the look of the tower. So this arch does really, really well for just that. It's not a functioning tow tower, but it gives you the look. It's also roughly a third of the cost of a full functioning tow tower. So this one ordered with Tech Package 1, so single SIMRAD in the dash, single subwoofer amplifier, full lighting package. So this boat's gonna have lights, cup holders, speakers, seat bases, under the rub rail, and underwater in the back, and full JL audio throughout. Flip up table, which is getting really, really popular. In-floor ski locker, raised helm, submersible swim seat, new lily pad ladder, 250 horsepower motor, fuel injected of course, and power assisted hydraulic steering. So really, really nicely set up boat. This is the SL floor plan. However, we also have them in stock like the one behind us, which is really the same boat, where they'll remove this cushion right here, put a second captain seat here. So if you want one with a second captain seat and you go, man, I like this boat, but I really want the second captain seat, no problem. We've got those also. So if you've got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.